Yo, what's up YouTube? This is iPod Geek 94 here with a tutorial on how to get an untethered jailbreak on iOS 5.0.1. Now, I believe it was today that Big Boss Repo released a tweak to allow. No, my bad. It wasn't Big Boss. It was I believe it was Green Poison. They released this for A4 devices. So here it is. Now this is my iPod Touch 4th Gen, as you can see. Oops, sorry. See the iOS 5. I kind of have a case here so you can't see the back end. Alright. I can prove it's in there. Alright. Well, of course, there's the iPod. Right there. And now to really prove that it's on iOS 5 firmware, let's drag down. iPod Touch, I don't know if you can see it very well. It says iPod Touch 4G, iOS 5.0.1, Cindy 1.1.3. Alright, let me just cancel that package. Oh, my bad. Hard disk with one hand. Okay. Now what you need to do is go to Manage, go to Sources. If not, I already have the Big Boss repo. Add Big Boss repo here. Here are some very good very good sources here to get free stuff and stuff. So we're kind of getting out of the video. Back to the video, okay. Now the thing that you need to search for is this tweak called something like that. Konoya, I think, whatever. 5.0.1 untethered. Now, if you have a tethered jailbreak via Red Snow, you can just download this tweak and it will make it untethered. If you do not have a jailbreak, then just download the latest Red Snow, and then you can do the untethered jailbreak from there. Alright. Here you go. It says this package will allow your 5.0.1 device to reboot without requiring an external tool such as Red Snow. A lot of people have pretty much been waiting for this. Alright. Of course, I already installed it, right here will be conform and download. Alright. Now to prove that this is a untethered video, I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn off my iPod right now. Of course, it's jailbroken, so, I'm not faking the video or anything. Also, guys, in my next video, I'll be showing you actually how to get Siri on the iPhone 4, and I believe 3GS, and, iPod Touch 4G, and then the 3rd gen of iPod Touch. Okay. Gonna explain more later on. Let me just turn on my iPod now. And as you will see, I don't need Red Snow to boot. Just watch, 1 minute, it will boot up probably. Yeah, about the Siri thing, it's like, they finally got the legal files so they can put Siri on all the devices, and it's not actually connecting to Apple servers, it's connecting to custom proxy servers, like servers that you guys will make, or somebody will, play up there, so you can use their server to, do like a Siri server, more type of thing. I think that it's gonna be better because you can actually add your custom commands. Alright, back. Alright, let me just. Don't want you to show you my password. Okay. Alright, and there you go. It's untethered. I didn't need Red Snow to boot, and bloops in there. Usually, when you boot Untethered, most time it just stays in the Apple screen. Sometimes it will go here, but then Safari won't work and Cinder won't work. And there you go. It's in the fully working SAHS right there. Let me just, I'm not gonna go to Mail, I'm just gonna go to Safari. Let's roll up this site. Yeah, let's try out to my Wi-Fi. Alright, you see Safari works, so this is a Untethered jailbreak finally. I've been waiting a long time, many people have been waiting a long time, and it finally came. More like a Christmas gift. Alright you guys, so my next video I'll be doing how to install Siri. Alright guys, alright, peace.